Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cocaine. Cocaine is obtained from leaves of Erythroxylon coca. The cocaine is also called as white lady, coke, Cadillac, and snow. Cigarettes with cocaine are called as crack. Cocaine leaves contain less than 2% of cocaine. Cocaine is treated with H2SO4 called as cocaine sulfate. This if it is treated with HCl, we call it as cocaine hydrochloride. Cocaine hydrochloride contains 90% of cocaine, and this cocaine hydrochloride is used for snorting and injections. Cocaine hydrochloride again treated with baking soda, it is called as crack, which can be smoked. Most common usage of cocaine is snorting. Actions.
thank you and thank you for watching.